What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do an iron-on vinyl. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it. So first thing first, we're doing we're creating what we need in Cricut Space. So you could either get the app or just go to the website. But after you start working on your design, basically, you're gonna want to flip the image before you do it. So this is what we're gonna use right now. So we're just gonna press make on it. I don't need to save it. You're gonna want to mirror it. You want to turn your Cricut machine on. Open it up all the way. Alright guys, this is the heat transfer vinyl we're using. You're gonna look on it for the instructions. So it wants us to do it at 265 with medium pressure for 5 seconds. So we're gonna preheat it to 265. Oh, forgot to turn this on. Then you're gonna press this. Now it's just warming up. Now you gotta wait. Alright guys, so if you look at it, you don't want it, you want it face down this way, the clear side. So yeah, you're gonna put this face down on it. Alright y'all, we got it on here. We're gonna just roll it out now. Make sure there isn't no seams in it. It's pretty flat though. This is a new mat too, so it'll stick pretty good. Alright, I think we're ready to put it in. So you want to slide it in this part on both sides. There's another one on the other side. Okay. Just make sure it's under both of those. Then you're going to press this. That's going to grab it and lock it into place. Then just pull a little, make sure it doesn't come out. Looks like it's locked in and even. Alright, so now we're good to start the cut. Forgot to tell y'all want it set to iron-on because this is an iron-on vinyl. Alright, we just changed the mat to 12 by 24 because that's what I'm using, and we got it mirrored. Next one, press continue. Sound Pro connect. So I forgot to turn the Bluetooth on. Make sure your Bluetooth's on when you're trying to connect. You should be able to connect now. Alright, it's connected. Press continue. Make sure mirror's turned on. Okay. So it's ready to go. Now we're just gonna press and go in the machine. Alright, so on the machine you're just gonna press this. Also, when you see that blue light on, that means it's connected to your device. Alright, after it's done, it'll push it back out, and then you'll see this on, so you can just press this and it'll let it go. Alright. Alright, y'all, so we just cutted it out. Now we're gonna weed it out, basically. And you're gonna make sure still the clear side is face down while you're doing this. So basically, you're just gonna try to look carefully at everything you cut it out and just peel around it. These help a lot. And if you got it on the right setting to cut it, and you got a good blade, it'll rip out real easy like this. So I had an old blade and like none of it was separating from the paper good. Alright. You see how easy that's ripping out? Almost got it. You don't want to overdo it too. If you don't feel like it's coming, just wait. But the smaller stuff you do, like the more intricate things, you're gonna have to use the little the weeder thing to get it out. Perfect. Just got this little part. Show y'all. So this is how it should look. Sorry, I can't get a good. Tip me, it's my birthday. Alright, so now I'm gonna show y'all how to put it on. First thing we're gonna do, try to get all the, like, any stuff on it off. Oops. Alright, so y'all gonna wanna press it for 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds to get out the moisture. Alright, still got some wrinkles in it. We're probably gonna do it again. Alright, now we're gonna press it. It says press for only 5 seconds, but I'm gonna do 10 at least. You wanna put some parchment paper over this, or a Teflon sheet. This is a Teflon sheet. Alright. I said too to do a warm peel so you could peel it right away. If you see any of it start coming up, then put this back down and then press it again. And you don't want to like pull it fast, just slowly pull it off. Alright, I'm gonna press it again for 15 seconds just to lock it in. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Thank y'all for watching. This is how you do an iron on vinyl. AJ Customs. I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna just add this little part in, but I'm giving this to a customer, and you see how I got all the wrinkles on the top part, but I never did this part. I'm gonna just heat press this part too, so everything's all even out and it doesn't look wrinkled. Alright y'all, so you can see I got most of the wrinkles out.